I found this old vintage suitcase at a flea market for only €10. The second I saw it, I knew it could become something beautiful and useful. I always had this idea in my mind to find one of these vintage cases, and I turned it into a beautiful makeup dressing table. Here is the full transformation step by step. I first wanted to give it that French grain sack stripe design, so I started working on the stripes, measuring and covering with masking tape, and started to paint. I started with this color and I didn't like it. I tried another color and still didn't like it, so then I mixed it together to get the color I wanted, a sort of a burnt orange color. Oh, that satisfying feeling when you don't have smudges. This was an old shelving we had and we never used, so this came in very handy for this project. But it was too high, so we had to remove the bottom part to make it a bit lower. When all is completely dry, I started working on the top part with these black and white transfers. When you use large transfers, you have to be careful that you pressed all the areas. So I start removing very slowly, making sure everything has been transferred. And if not, I go back down and re-press. I do give it 2 coats of varnish when I am ready. The rim is very rubbery, so I wasn't going to paint it, but I did give it a good clean. Painted the handle with a cream color and the metal parts with a bronze acrylic. Next is painting the table with the same colors I used for the case. Initially, I was going to leave the original paper inside the case, but it was very brittle in some areas, so I had to remove it and find a fabric that matched with the colors of the case. I started with long strips to cover the sides of the bottom and the top. Cut out pieces of cardboard that fit inside and for the top, and I covered these with the same material. I did use a strong glue to hold these in place. I needed to create some partitions inside the case, so I used some of these cardboard boxes that I had and covered them with the fabric. I'm here crafting and creating in Sicily. Where are you all watching from? Leave me a comment in the section below. I would love to hear from you. This was quite a long process to cover all the small boxes, but it was completely worth it. As crafters, we are sometimes called hoarders, but we always seem to find a use for everything eventually. And these boxes came in so handy, and they magically fit perfectly in the suitcase. And it won't be a finished project without adding some final trimmings. And of course, we can't have a dressing table without a mirror. It was quite a long project from beginning to end, but here it is. I am so happy with it. Hope this week's project inspired you in one way or another. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more creative projects. I will see you all on my next one. Bye bye!